most top-earning multimillionaire celebrities is Vin Diesel. He has made hundreds of millions of dollars and spends his massive net worth on expensive items and a luxurious lifestyle. Vin Diesel has worked in many blockbuster movies and won numerous awards. He is also one of the world's highest-grossing actors. He first gained publicity and attention when he appeared on screen as Dominic Toretto in the Fast and Furious franchise. As you must have seen, he did some unbelievable action stunts and drove super expensive cars. You might be curious about the multimillionaire lifestyle of Vin Diesel and how he spends his millions. Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic for today's video. Watch till the end for some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Vin Diesel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Vin Diesel's real name is Mark Sinclair. He was born on July 18, 1967 in California. Other than being a famous actor, he is also a producer, a musician, and a director who got his first break from a huge movie icon. Most of us know him for his role as Dominic Toretto in the Fast and Furious franchise, but he's also so much more than that, as he has been featured in a number of different movies. Some of his other notable roles include Richard B. Riddick in the Chronicles of Riddick series and Xander Cage in the XXX series. Vin Diesel studied theater at Hunter College in New York City. There, he also studied creative writing, which initially helped him start writing screenplays and begin his career as a media personality. Vin Diesel has also been nominated for many awards and won most of them. His estimated net worth in June 2021 was around $235 million, and he rose to world acclaim greatly by starring in the Fast and Furious franchise. The establishment made him one of the most generously compensated actors in the world. Reportedly, he requires as much as $55 million each year through his films, and in total, Diesel's franchise has grossed more than $6 billion worldwide from its 9 features since 2001. The Fast and Furious franchise is a goldmine for Diesel, and according to reports, he has earned $20 million up front for the upcoming Fast 9. His earnings from the film would have been even higher, but due to the pandemic, the film was pushed back. Vin Diesel is currently living with his wife, Palma Jimenez, and they have 3 children together, 2 daughters and a son. At the age of 54, he is living a lavish life, and even though he keeps it private, we still managed to get some details about his insane purchases. So let's get right into it. But before we do, make sure to subscribe for more interesting lifestyles of millionaires. Now, you're probably wondering if it's possible that an actor from the Fast and Furious franchise doesn't have any expensive cars. Not in this case. Vin Diesel takes pride in his incredible collection of supercars. The actor has several models of wonderful cars in his garage, and he has a classic vintage models like the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda, a 1969 Charger Daytona, and many more. There are also some other notable cars he has been gifted in the past few years, and one of the most beautiful cars he owns is his 1966 Pontiac Bonneville. Another exotic and powerful car of his is the 2014 Lykan Hypersport, which is worth $3.4 million. You are about to get very shocked after hearing this, but Vin Diesel's first ride was the motorcycle he bought when he went to college, as he told himself, "It wasn't until I went to college and got my first motorcycle that I understood the thrill of speed." Impressive real estate is an important piece of the portfolio for every millionaire, and Vin Diesel also owns many houses. These include a trailer home worth $1.1 million that he also uses for some privacy on the sets of his films, a house in Beverly Hills worth $1.4 million, another $3.3 million luxurious mansion in Atlanta, and a house in Hollywood Hills worth $1.4 million, where he currently lives with his family. The actor also owns a private jet that he uses to travel to his holiday locations and for promotional activities for his upcoming films. On top of that, Vin Diesel also owns the rights to the XXX franchise. After coming this far in the video, you know Vin Diesel has an expensive lifestyle that many of us desire, and he surely knows how to have some fun with his money. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Vin Diesel? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.